Ma'am, actually a video conferencing meeting of my sister is going on, so I can't take on the camera. I'm sitting in the office
Uh,
right now.
it hardly matters. You can just for
Ma'am, just a second, I will go outside. Sorry, ma'am.
10 to 20 seconds you can switch on and then you can switch off. Okay.
Just a second,
Yes.
ma'am.
Sonu Jangir, Gaurav, all of you please switch on your camera. Okay, fine. Gaurav, yes, is my voice clear? Is it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Thank you. How are you, Gaurav?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, good, good. And how's your studies going on? Are you comfortable in the system, students, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I think you are able to understand the things and you are able to do the things. Okay, with slight comfort. Yes, Anik, Ishwar, all of you, please switch on your camera for some time.
Ma'am, I currently don't have the webcam.
You don't have the webcam in your system, so you haven't joined through your
Yes, ma'am.
phone.
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So are you speaking right? Huh? अनीक सच में ऐसा है क्या आपका वेबकैम नहीं है?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके
एक्चुअली
सो
मोबाइल में
अनीक
तो कनेक्ट कर सकता हूँ पर कुछ मतलब अभी प्रॉब्लम है तो कुछ इसलिए नहीं किया.
okay fine see do one thing do you have the desktop do you have the desktop ईश्वर आप कैमरा स्विच ऑन करो भाई
Yes.
you have the desktop what you can do is
Yes, ma'am.
you in that desktop itself you can attach one camera okay if it is not inbuilt in your monitor okay what you can do is you can just ask somebody some person
Ma'am,
who does the hardware work.
usually I use my phone for classes, but currently I am
No,
facing some
no, no, no. See, I suggest if you have the desktop,
yes.
okay, it will hardly cost you 800 or 1000 rupees.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, in the very
For
system itself, you can have that webcam. You can have that webcam, and it is better. It is better to study from that screen of your desktop. Clear? Because
yes,
you will have better understanding and you will have a comparative broad screen in front of you. Okay, so you will be comfortable. Even your eyesight will not be that much affected as those are affected through mobile phone. Is this point clear? हमें
yes,
knowingly unknowingly हमें पता नहीं चलता है हम जो है हम मोबाइल फोन का जो स्क्रीन है उसका डिस्टेंस और हमारी आईज का डिस्टेंस जो है ठीक है उसका हम मोबाइल का एंड आईज का डिस्टेंस जो है वो बहुत कम हो जाता है एंड इट इज हार्मफुल and we can't escape from this situation as we have only that medium at present okay so उसमें भी जितना हम मिनिमम हेल्थ अपनी इफेक्ट कर पाए वो अप्रोच हमें रखनी चाहिए ठीक है
yes, ma'am.
ठीक है आप डेस्कटॉप पे अपने वेबकैम लगवा लो उसी पे लग जाएगा ठीक है नया इंस्ट्रूमेंट अभी जरूरत नहीं है अभी डोंट गो इनटू ऑल दीज अननेसेसरी एक्सपेंसेस ओके उसी में एक वेबकैम लगवा लो उसी में लग जाता है ऊपर मॉनिटर के ठीक है स्क्रीन के ऊपर ही लग जाएगा
Yes, sir.
ठीक है तो आप उसको भी प्रिपेयर करवा लो सपोज समटाइम यू हैव सम work with your phone and you are unable to do the class and that's work parallel through the same instrument okay then you can use desktop for your class and rest of the day whatever you can do and I suggest all of you to take your classes from the laptop or the desktop okay for the maximum time yes Okay, fine. So I think अर्पिता का तो अभी हुआ ही नहीं है क्या?
No, ma'am.
अर्पिता?
I was waiting for you. Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, good, good. Okay. मैं बीच बीच में आपके फेसेस देखना चाहती हूँ so that I can identify you people. Okay, when we meet, और I must have that sense of connectivity. जैसे आप मुझे कंटिन्यू देखते रहते हो, ठीक है, तो आपको एक कनेक्शन फील होता है, तो मुझे भी थोड़ा सा वो कनेक्टिविटी चाहिए आपके साइड से, है ना?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, तो sometime I'll ask you to do this exercise. Okay, fine. You can switch off your camera if you have some connectivity problem. Okay, fine, students. So now what we will do is that in the previous class we were discussing about the topic process of communication. Okay, is it right? Yes, students, quickly respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in that process of communication, what all we discussed, if somebody can just yes, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, so we are discussing about communication, and today we are going to discuss about its forms also. Various types, forms, types, categories. Okay, but before that, I just want to know that what we discussed in terms of process of communication. See, that much information is sufficient for you people. Okay, rest of the details you can study from the study material I provided you. Okay, and today I'll be sharing that chapters study material in your classroom account also. Although I've shared that in your WhatsApp group, but I will be
So
sharing
I'm
that
not in the classroom.
So you have to join. Anik,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have
Please
to join.
provide the link.
I've already provided the code number, and if you want it again, I can provide it again, or you can ask your class fellows. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
and you have to join. You have to join, and I think now it is working. You people are able to access that.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
अभी तो
ma'am.
आप सब एक्सेस कर पा रहे हैं ना? ठीक है, अभी आप भी करेंगे अनिक, ठीक है? You will also do that. So because maybe अभी इंस्ट्रक्शंस आ सकते हैं कि आपके जो अभी मिड टर्म एग्जाम होंगे उसमें जो आप सबमिशन करेंगे अपनी आंसर स्क्रिप्ट्स गूगल फॉर्म में, ठीक है, तो वो हो सकता है आपको क्लासरूम में ही सबमिट, उसका लिंक जो है वो आपको क्लासरूम से अटैच करना पड़े, ठीक है? तो यू हैव टू join that. Clear? So yes, quickly one of you tell, Arpita, you please tell that what we discussed in terms of process of communication, and whatever discussion we have done, that much is sufficient. Okay, that much is sufficient for you people just to know about the components and the direction in which communication happens. Okay, उतना sufficient है, आपको बहुत ज्यादा डिटेल्स में नहीं जाना है, ठीक है? उतना ही है आपके सिलेबस में. Yes, quickly respond so that I can move for the next topic, because I want to complete these categories of communication today.
So, ma'am, the first form of communication is like we have to start by our self introduction, in which we have to give firstly our name and from where we have
Listen,
completed our education.
Arpita, listen. What is my question? That we were discussing the topic process of communication, okay, in HSM 101. Students, please don't get confused. ठीक है, 101 का कंटेंट अलग है, वो थ्योरी पेपर है. 191 का कंटेंट अलग है, वो प्रैक्टिकल पेपर है. ठीक है, तो सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन वाला जो टॉपिक है वो हम 191 में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. बिकॉज वो हमने उसको प्रैक्टिकल पार्ट का कंपोनेंट माना है, ठीक है, प्रैक्टिस पार्ट का, दैट वी हैव टू रेगुलरली प्रैक्टिस, we have to discuss as much as we can do, and we have to implement all the suggestions which come out with our discussion. Okay, so ये हमें करना है. मैं आपसे प्रोसेस ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ अर्पिता. You were not present in that class, I know. Yes, any other student? Sujit, Anik, you please tell. And ईश्वर, आपको पता है ना, आपको एक टास्क दिया हुआ था मैंने, वो कंप्लीट करना नेक्स्ट 191 की क्लास के लिए.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Yes, Anik, Sujit,
I
quickly
was
come
not
out.
present.
Quickly come out with the answers. What are the basic components for process of communication? What are the basic components of communication? So it means it was a zero communication in that class, or no communication at all, as you people are not uttering a single word related to that. Yes, Lakhan, आप बताइए basic components क्या है?
मैम सेंडर, इनकोडिंग,
Yes.
मैसेज, डिकोडिंग, रिसीवर एंड रिस्पॉन्स.
And response. Very nice, very nice. So these are the, do you remember, students? Are you able to recall? Okay, that all these 6 basic components of communication we discussed, let it be, it is any type. Today we are going to discuss some of the types of communication. Okay, so let it be, it is either of the type, but the components will remain same and the process will remain same. And in that we also discussed that communication is a process. Okay, it is a live concept, it always moves on, it is nothing static. Okay, it is nothing static, it always moves on, and it is a process, and it keeps on changing as per the components involved in that and the components competencies. Okay, and the other resources which are affecting that process of communication. Okay, it depends upon that. So the process of communication keeps on changing. Okay, suppose हम अभी क्लास कर रहे हैं और let it be, it could be the situation कि suppose मेरे प्लेस पे या आपके प्लेस पे कोई बहुत लाउड म्यूजिक प्ले कर रहा है, ठीक है, तो बहुत साउंड है, बहुत जो है वो हाई साउंड प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, देयर इज अ डाइवर्जन, we are not able to concentrate upon the classroom discussion. Okay, we are also diverted to that sound. Okay, or maybe the sound is so high. Okay, so it is, we are unable to even listen a single sound of the classroom. ओके, तो ये एक फैक्टर है, ये एक जो है, ये एक we can say external factor है which is affecting the process of communication. Okay, तो वो process of communication को affect कर रहा है. We will talk about all these things in detail later on, but here we have to just stick to this particular information that communication is a process. It is a lively context. It always moves on, and the basic components are the sender. Okay, sender will encode a message will be developed, that message will be received by the receiver will try to decode that message, and as per the decoding of the receiver will respond. Okay, so up to response, the process of communication completes. Okay, the response should be there. It is included in the process of communication. Okay, so it starts from sender's existence and it ends up to the response of the receiver. And also we discussed that it is quite different from the feedback. Okay, feedback in itself is an independent process. Okay, हमने ये भी डिस्कस किया था कि फीडबैक जो है वो एक इंडिपेंडेंट प्रोसेस है, वो भी एक कम्युनिकेशन का फॉर्म है. ठीक है, बेसिक जब हम प्रोसेस की बात कर रहे हैं तो यही 6 कंपोनेंट्स है, इसमें और किसी चीज का इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं है. ठीक है, फर्दर जब हम और चीजों का डिस्कशन करते हैं कम्युनिकेशन से रिलेटेड, तब हम फर्दर और फैक्टर्स को अपने डायग्रामेटिक उसमें एक्सप्लेनेशन में ज्वाइन करेंगे, उसको इंक्लूड करेंगे. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द थिंग. सो टुडे as we are discussing its forms. Okay, today we are going to discuss forms. So in that sequence, one thing, yes, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Communication
fine.
and its form.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, fine. Okay, now are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Verbal, non-verbal.
what information you have observed here? What information you have observed? Just one of you tell.
It's verbal, non-verbal.
Okay, verbal, non-verbal. Okay, so these are the various these are, we can say, the basic categories of communication. Okay, the basic forms of communication. These are the forms of communication. Okay, earlier we discussed about the process of communication. Now we are discussing the forms of communication. Okay, the categories of communication, the types of communication that we are supposed to discuss. Okay, so in that sequence, the very first or the very basic form is verbal. Okay, and the second one is non-verbal, we can say here. Now, this is the first one and this is the second one. And sometimes it is written in this way itself, okay, because these are closely attached also. These are closely intermixed also. Clear? So let us check what is verbal communication. Okay, see, one thing you have to remember here, verbal is a primary derivative. Okay, or it is a secondary derivative. Clear? And this particular secondary derivative has been developed with the word verb. Have you studied this word verb in parts of speech in English grammar?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना, English grammar में हमने 8 parts of speech पढ़े हैं. ठीक है, so in that one of the part of speech is their verb. Okay, this particular word is derivated from that word itself. Okay, here al suffix is added, so it has converted into a secondary derivative and it has become verbal. Okay, so as verb is one of the category of word. Okay, so here also we can relate that particular context. Okay, that word which denotes action. Okay, word which denotes action, that is verb. So it is a word. Verb is a word. So verbal also is related to word. Okay, verbal means through words. What is the meaning of the word verbal? Through words. Clear? Now, this particular type of or this particular form of communication, if it happens through words, okay, then it is termed as what? Verbal communication. Okay, but how those words are used, which of the medium is used, okay, as per that medium, okay, again it converts into different categories. Okay, suppose the first point you are able to see here, spoken rather than written. Okay, particularly we are here focusing on the oral communication. Okay, if the words are spoken, okay, then it will be verbal communication, and further specification if we do, okay, of that spoken medium, then it will be termed as what? Oral communication. Okay, so for verbal also we have the subcategories. One is, I will send you one chart also later on. Okay, abhi main janbujh ke I did not included it here. Okay, but later on I'll be sharing that chart also. Here you need to remember the point that words if are spoken, then it is verbal communication. Okay, so verbal communication means relating to words or using words, okay, in speaking and in writing. Clear? Relating to a verb. What is this means? Okay, this means that this particular communication is related to word, or the word verbal has came out from the word verb. Okay, so in a very precise manner we can here think of that if words are spoken or if are written, okay, in different forms, then it will be termed as verbal communication. It means communication through words. That is verbal communication. This is one of the type of communication. And further, this communication has other subcategories also. Okay, oral and written. ये आप नोट करिए. You please note down this information. Oral and written. This verbal will have further subcategories, oral and written communication. Okay, now see here. In this particular display itself, whatever words are written here, okay, this is part of written communication. And whatever sounds I am speaking, that is oral communication. Okay, so we are having a mix of both the subcategories of verbal communication, oral and written. Clear? And one of the picture you might be observing here. This is the picture, this is the visual. What you are able to observe through this? Yes, students? आप क्या observe कर पा रहे हो इस visual से? Are you able to see the indicator?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just let me know what you observe through this image, through this visual. What idea is coming to your mind? Yes? Quickly respond. कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा आपको? इसका क्या आप क्या इससे आइडिया लगा पा रहे हो? ये विजुअल जो है, इससे कोई आप इंफॉर्मेशन गेन कर पा रहे हो क्या?
The person is
Yes,
speaking.
Gaurav. Okay, the person is speaking. Arpita. Okay, fine, good. Yes, definitely. And इसमें speaking में थोड़ा सा और add on करो. What he is using?
He's
Maybe
using
some
a loudspeaker.
हाँ, yes. Okay. Yes, fine. So two informations we are able to get from this visual, that there is a person who is speaking, okay, and he is using a loudspeaker. Okay, he is using a mic. Clear? So through this visual we are able to get this information. This is non-verbal communication. Okay, nothing is written here. Nothing is written here that there is a person who is speaking and using loudspeaker. But we are able to frame an information. Okay, we are able to frame an information that yes, there is a person who is using the loudspeaker and who is speaking. Okay, as his mouth is open, so we are having that, we can say, we are having that impression that he might be speaking. Okay, so one type of information we are able to develop through this visual. This is non-verbal communication, where the words are not used, but some visuals, some diagrams, okay, those are used. Okay, here the diagram is there of the loudspeaker, the diagram is there of the cartoon diagram is there of a person, okay, who is speaking. So this is termed as what? Non-verbal communication, where words are not used. ये नहीं use है, ठीक है? Visual use है, या we will talk about, and we have talked about lot many other things also when we were discussing the general information of communication. Okay, that time also we discussed that is non-verbal communication. It means, see here itself you can see non-verbal. It means no words. Verbal means words, non means no. Okay, so no words are there, but then also the communication happens. Okay, so we are, see, suppose I have placed this visual here. Okay, so I am the sender and this is my message in form of this visual. And Arpita answered that I think that there is a person who is speaking, okay, and who is using the loudspeaker. So that Arpita is receiver. She tried to decode this message and then she responded, okay, in form of speaking. Clear? So whatever she was able to gain from this visual, that was part of non-verbal communication. Yes, students, is this point clear? So this is the second category of communication,
Yes,
that is non-verbal. Okay, first one is verbal and the second one is non-verbal. Again, this non-verbal has lot many other subcategories. We will discuss those subcategories in detail later on. Here, this much is sufficient. Now, the information will be more clear to people of non-verbal communication. Okay, now see here. What does this means? I think this is the very, we can say, very familiar pose of fingers. What do you understand by this? What do you understand by this? Winning position के लिए, ठीक है? Generally winning.
इशारा कर रही है.
हाँ.
इशारा कर रही है, sign
some indication. Yes.
Body languages.
Yes, some information is indicated through this, through this, through this. Okay, through this. Okay, through this also, through this also, through this also, and through this. Okay, so all these, we can say, positions of finger. Okay, fingers are able to give some information. Okay, are able to provide some information. So no word is used here, but we can say the body parts are used here. Okay, fingers are used. Okay, we can say the palm is used, hand is used. Clear? So, and all these positions of fingers or the palm are able to convey some information. Okay, ये जैसे winning position के लिए है, ये क्रॉस फिंगर हम किस लिए करते हैं? क्रॉस फिंगर किस लिए करते हैं भाई स्टूडेंट्स बताइए? Why do we do this?
Ma'am, sorry.
Why क्रॉस फिंगर क्यों करते हैं हम? या कोई भी पर्सन क्रॉस फिंगर क्यों करता है?
I think it is a hope sign.
It's a
hope sign. I mean, let's hope for the best. We say
yes. क्रॉस फिंगर मतलब जो अच्छा है वो गलत ना हो, ठीक है? या let us hope for the best. ओके और ये जैसे है, ये विनिंग पोजीशन के लिए यूज करते हैं. जैसे सपोज जनरली आपने न्यूज़पेपर में, ये मैं इसलिए एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ कि न्यूज़पेपर सब पढ़ते हैं, ठीक है? एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम जब इलेक्शन टाइम होता है, ठीक है, तो यू पीपल सी दैट कैंडिडेट हु हैज वोन, ओके जो कैंडिडेट जीता है, that particular candidate poses, okay, poses with these two fingers in this way itself. Okay, it means I have won. ये symbol है winning का, ठीक है. तो maybe the person is not speaking at that time, but just using the fingers in this position to state an information of winning. Okay, or suppose you have went to some tea stall, okay, and आपने बोला कि चाय देना, ठीक है. अब चाय देना, आप 3-4 फ्रेंड्स जो है वो वहां बैठे हो, ठीक है. यू पीपल हैव रीच दैट प्लेस एंड यू आर सिटिंग देयर. Immediately that particular person who is the owner of the tea stall will ask kitni. Okay, as that particular person observes कि आप 3-4 लोग हो तो आप सब पियोगे या आप में से कोई नहीं पिएगा, तो इसको कंफर्म करने के लिए कि हाउ मच. ओके, द पर्सन विल आस्क हाउ मच, हाउ मेनी, कितना, ठीक है. सो इन दैट सीक्वेंस, इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग कि 4, 5, 2 या 2, 3, 4, आप सपोज फिंगर्स का यूज करते हो, ठीक है, कि आप हो तो 4-5 लेकिन आपने 3 फिंगर्स रेज की, इसका मतलब क्या है, 3 टी कप्स. ओके, एंड सपोज आपने फिंगर रेज किया 4, ठीक है, इसका मतलब 4. आपने फिंगर रेज किया 2, मतलब आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट टी कप्स की 2 ही है, ठीक है. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग वर्ड्स, यू यूज द फिंगर्स टू सेंड एन इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ टीज टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड. Okay, so that is non-verbal communication. Now, see, in this particular image also, you are able to see various positions. Okay, one of the female, as you can check here, as per her attire, okay, whatever attire she has wore, okay, so you are able to frame information that she is a professional, she is at her workplace, ठीक है. वो फॉर्मली ड्रेस्ड है, उसका अटायर फॉर्मल है, ठीक है. तो आप जो है ये इंफॉर्मेशन गेन कर पा रहे हो कि ये वर्क प्लेस पे है, ठीक है. एक तो ये इंफॉर्मेशन आपने अटायर से आपने जो है इमेजिन कर लिया कि शी इज अ प्रोफेशनल और शी इज एट अ वर्क प्लेस, ठीक है. ये एक इंफॉर्मेशन. देन एज पर हर पोस्चर, ओके, एज शी हैज पुट हर हैंड्स, ओके, अंडर द चिन एंड शी इज हैविंग द क्लोज हैंड्स, ओके, इट मीन्स शी इज थिंकिंग अबाउट समथिंग. तो इससे एक इंफॉर्मेशन आप गेन कर पा रहे हो कि माइट बी शी इज थिंकिंग अबाउट समथिंग एंड शी इज relaxed as per the position of her legs. Okay, as per her posture, you are able to frame one information that she is thinking about something but in relaxed manner, and she is a professional, ठीक है. So nothing was uttered from her side, कुछ भी उसने वर्ड्स के थ्रू बोला नहीं, लेकिन उसके अटायर से, उसकी पोजीशन से, उसके पोस्चर से we are able to frame some information about her. That is non-verbal communication. Is this point clear, students? समझ में आ रहा है आपको? ठीक है. फिर नेक्स्ट आप इसको देखिए, इससे भी आपको इंफॉर्मेशन गेन कर पा रहे हैं. Are you able to frame some information with the posture and the dress of this boy? Yes, quickly respond, please. This is not that much difficult question which you cannot answer.
Yes, miss.
क्या? What?
He is a student, maybe.
Okay, he is a student, maybe he is a student. What else? He is posing little bit stylish, isn't it? He is holding his specs in a specific manner. In general, when people make some style, okay, in the posture, they do this type of activity, isn't it? ये मेरा इन्फेरेंस है,
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. आपका कुछ और भी हो सकता है. हाँ, जैसे कुछ स्टाइल कर रहा है, छोटा सा लड़का है, ठीक है. विद हिज अपीयरेंस वी कैन इजीली जज दैट ही इज अ वेरी यंग बॉय, ठीक है. he is a student maybe, and is he at present moving to school, or he's in school, or he's at some social space, or some, we can say, some space of his home. कहाँ पे है ये, कहाँ पे हो सकता है? जो इसका कॉस्ट्यूम है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम क्या आइडिया लगा सकते हैं, या क्या इंफॉर्मेशन हमको पता चल रही है? यस, क्विकली टेल. ये स्टूडेंट्स बताओ फटाफट.
Ma'am, I think he is making TikTok video.
He is making TikTok video. Okay, definitely this could be also one of the information you can frame here, okay, by his appearance, definitely, as he is wearing the casuals, okay, and also posing in a particular pattern. So maybe, okay, or he is doing some styling, okay, or he is giving some pose for the photographs and all that. Fine. Now see this gentleman, this person, okay, what you can assume? Yes, he's an elderly person, as mustaches are there, white color of mustaches are there, bird is there, okay, and by his
Maybe he is
slightly,
maybe he is a CEO of some company.
maybe, yes, okay, he's CEO of some company, he's an elderly person, and he is at formal place, or he is moving for formal place, as he has he's in formal dress, okay, he's in formal attire. तो ये भी हम एक एज्यूम कर सकते हैं, या ये फ्रेम कर सकते हैं इंफॉर्मेशन, कि either he is at some formal place or he is moving to formal place, he is prepared to move to formal place. ठीक है? और थोड़ा सा as his posture is reflecting, okay, उसका posture क्या reflect कर रहा है बताइए? As he is having bound palms, क्या पोस्चर रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है? ये पोस्चर क्या रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है बताइए? क्विकली. हर्ष, सुजीत, आप लोग भी रिस्पॉन्ड कीजिए. डू नॉट सिट साइलेंट. यस. He is posing as something very correct he has said, and nothing has to be changed, okay, in that, okay, is that he is posing in that situation, okay, that particular information we can frame here. Now see this girl, okay, in a very we can say casual pose. She is standing, maybe she is with her friends, okay, and she is very relaxed, okay, so that is the thing. And she loves modern dresses, English dresses. As per her attire, we can even we can frame this information that she loves western dress, okay, as she has wore that one of that, so that is why. Now this boy, okay, he is maybe seriously attending some information, okay, or in between he is surprised also by his appearance. We can frame this information, okay. So what my point is that no word is used, but by their posture, by their attires, by their facial expressions, eye movements, okay, we can frame some information. That is non-verbal communication. Okay. Now see here, many of these signs you have came across lot many times, isn't it? ये इस तरीके के साइंस कभी कभी देखने को मिलते हैं क्या आपको? हाँ, ये सब स्पीड लिमिट 40,
Yes,
इसका
miss.
क्या मतलब है?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, इसका क्या मतलब है? ये तो वैसे वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन की कैटेगरी में है, ठीक है, बिकॉज
Yes.
वर्ड्स का न्यूमरल्स का यूज हुआ है यहाँ पे. ये इसका क्या मतलब है बताइए? दिस क्रॉस.
Not sure, sir. Not sure, ma'am.
हाँ,
Not sure, ma'am, of the
डोंट से.
plus.
हाँ,
ये प्लस साइन का मुझे नहीं पता, मतलब नॉट श्योर।
अरे भाई, मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज के लिए जनरली, ये तो कितना कॉमन सिंबल है. डोंट
ओ
से दिस.
या
हाँ, डोंट से
हाँ,
दिस.
पर
एंड इसका,
मेडिकल में
ये
यूजुअली
इसका
रेड
क्या
क्रॉस का
मतलब है?
यूज होता है।
यस, इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका both side arrow, it means direction is both side, the movement can happen. Okay, clear? और इसका क्या मतलब है? What does this mean? There is no direction of this side. ठीक है, यानी ये एरो जो है लेफ्ट साइड सपोज मूव हो रही है, तो लेफ्ट साइड का कोई डायरेक्शन नहीं है यहाँ पे. यानी इट्स मतलब लेफ्ट साइड में मूवमेंट का कोई डायरेक्शन नहीं है, राइट साइड में जाना है. ठीक है, तो लॉट मेनी सिंबल्स, बाइसाइकिल का जैसे सिंबल है. ठीक है, तो यूज बाइसाइकिल. इसका क्या मतलब है? यू टर्न का स्कोप नहीं है. ठीक है, यू टर्न का सिंबल बना के उसको क्रॉस किया हुआ है, इसका क्या मतलब है? यू टर्न का स्कोप नहीं है. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द पॉइंट. अब इसमें सी, इन दिस चार्ट यू माइट बी ऑब्जर्विंग दैट in many of the indicators words are used, numerals are used, so those will be of verbal communication. Okay, those are not part of non-verbal communication. Clear? But wherever these words are not used, something else is used, some mark is used, some diagram is used. Okay, that is non-verbal communication. It means if you see the cycle, bicycle, okay, and if you observe that area, automatically you will understand that yes, this is the area for cycling. Okay, or here we can use cycle. Okay, so one information we are able to frame, that is the point. ये समझ में आया? ये सब क्या है? This is non-verbal communication. Okay, so where the words are not used, and you remember, if you remember, we have discussed about this non-verbal communications. Example, traffic lights. Okay, those are also part of non-verbal communication, where words are not used, the lights of various different colors are used, okay, to regulate the movement. Clear? So that is the point. Now see here, students, for verbal communication, particularly if we talk about oral communication, okay, it is in general considered as face-to-face communication. Okay, although it happens in different forms also, but initially, okay, we can understand the notion through this particular state. So here you can see face-to-face के क्या-क्या various situations हो सकती हैं, interaction, gestures, facial expressions, voice tone, ये सब तो क्या है? Pauses, laughter, sigh. ठीक है, ये if words के through reflect हो रहा है तो वो verbal communication है. जेस्चर, फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन, ये सब नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन का है. बोलते समय जो है वो नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन भी इंक्लूडेड है. ठीक है, तो इफ हम ओरल कम्युनिकेशन को स्पेसिफिकली कंसिडर करें तो उसके साथ नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन भी क्लोजली एसोसिएटेड है. दैट इज द थिंग. क्लियर? एंड इफ दैट इज नॉट द फेस टू फेस कम्युनिकेशन, okay, that verbal communication, okay, if that is not face to face communication, it is indirect communication. Suppose for example on phone, okay, then the non verbal communication, okay, is not that much we can say that much considerable. Why? Because whatever is related to non verbal communication, that is not physically available, okay, that is not physically present. But yes, the voice level, okay, the volume, the tone, again, that is part of non-verbal communication that can happen, that can help, okay, to get the message. So as things are interconnected, verbal and non-verbal communication, these are interconnected, these are interrelated. many a time. Clear? Now, here you are able to see these two terms also, formal and informal. Okay, so see, formal and informal communication are also the forms of communication, okay, and these are related to verbal communication only. Clear? Formal means particular pattern has to be followed, vocabulary has to be taken care of, okay, and it is in general related to workplace. Clear? Informal means the vocabulary is not that much, we can say, considerable in terms of formality, okay. All time the pattern is also not involved, is not considered, okay. That is informal communication. ओके, सो यहाँ पे फॉर्मल और इनफॉर्मल का कॉन्टेक्स्ट जो है वो हमें सिर्फ इतना ध्यान रखना है कि ये एक स्पेसिफिक पैटर्न से रिलेटेड है और ये यहाँ पे पैटर्न की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है. इज दिस पॉइंट क्लियर? जैसे एप्लीकेशन है, एप्लीकेशन राइटिंग जो है, ठीक है, वो फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन है. लेटर राइटिंग जो है वो चाहे इनफॉर्मल लेटर है लेकिन वो भी फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन है. व्हाई? बिकॉज इनफॉर्मल लेटर का भी एक पर्टिकुलर पैटर्न होता है, ठीक है. लेकिन इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन हम किसको बोलेंगे यहाँ पे? फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैरिज के कार्ड्स या कोई भी सेरेमनी होती है, उनके जो कार्ड्स हम प्रिंट करते हैं इनविटेशन के लिए, इनविटेशन कार्ड्स, ओके, उसका पैटर्न डिसाइडेड नहीं होता है, ठीक है. एवरीबडी हैज his or her own pattern. Okay, so that is informal communication. Okay, so although both are part of verbal communication, but they have specific difference between them. Clear? So that particular point is there. So now if your verbal communication is written communication, okay, so these are the forms you can see here, okay. Formal letters, texts, emails, okay. These are more complicated, more formal, requires planning, okay, more time taking process, okay, more structured and precise choice of words. It means the accurate and the correct word has to be chosen and it has to be reread, edited 2 or 3 times, and then it has to be prepared. Okay, this is about the written communication. And the second point you can check here, the informal letters, text messages, emails. Okay, see, emails which are part of formal communication, again those have the pattern, specific pattern. Okay, but emails, if we are using for some social space, then it can be independently prepared. Okay, there is we can say no particular strictness in that. Clear? So you can see here that these are less complicated, less formal, spontaneous. Okay, even the punctuations are, we can say, flexible to use. Okay, even the people can use pictures, smileys, okay, or various other visuals. Clear? So that is how in written communication also, okay, which is one of the category of verbal communication, we have the formal and informal expression both. Now this you see here. Even the communication happens through new technologies. Okay, all these situations are the expressions of some or the other type of communication process. In different situations, Now see here, this one, it is a totally formal situation. Okay. This is again a formal situation, but it is a situation of mass communication. Okay. Public communication. Again, this particular situation is the formal communication situation. Okay. Here the oral communication is happening. We can just frame that information through the visual. And this is slightly the, we can say, informal communication situation. Okay. Why? Because the space we are observing, that is quite close. Okay. That is quite less. Okay. And even the rest of the other things also reflect this particular information. Okay. So these are certain examples of communication we are observing here. Now, language plays a very important role in the process of communication. Let it be, it is of any type. Clear? So in that sequence, what are the various situations, okay, of learning the language taught at school or college, okay, that we use for our practical purposes? Even the language is learned through our culture, okay, and that language is groomed at our workplace. Business here means the workplace, okay. And language, if a particular person is proficient in a language, particular person develops the self-confidence, okay, or the person knows some language, some more languages, then that helps to develop the self-confidence. So this is all about today's discussion. Okay. If you have any question related to today's discussion, you can place. So today, yes, any question? So today we have discussed about certain forms of communication. In that sequence, we have discussed the verbal communication and non-verbal communication. Okay, and particularly in verbal communication, we use words. Okay, and the mediums are used for that. Words are either writing or speaking. Okay, this particular information we have checked. And also the verbal communication could be categorized in formal and informal categories. So formal communication means a particular pattern, a particular structure has to be followed. And informal communication means there is relaxation in terms of pattern, there is relaxation in terms of structure of the information. That is informal communication. Okay. Now, the other the other category of communication we discussed, that was non-verbal communication. Okay, it means no words are used, then also a particular information is exchanged, it is transferred, okay, it is shifted from one side to the other. Clear? So we have checked some examples. So these are some forms of communication we need to check, and there are some more we will discuss in next class. So with this, I end the class today here itself. If you have any question, you can place, students. कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है आपका, किसी का? नहीं? Okay, fine. Okay, then you can leave the class.
Okay, thank you.
Huh? Yes?